Hi guys, I'm Ching and I'm in Shanghai and I'm off to try perhaps the most expensive bowl of noodles I've ever had.
Today, it's all about decadence. I'm taking you to eat a bowl of noodles that uses 12 crabs to make it. I'm talking sweet crab meat, rich roe, and long chewy noodles.
Let's get out this rain and into some noodles. Okay, Cerjerdary, this is it. 你好，一位。
一位里边的。
好，谢谢。How lovely. It's all sort of bamboo colored. It's very, very zen. 啊，好，谢谢，谢谢。Oh, I love this. You've got like little bamboo stalls.
门菜单。
好。
今天有2款蟹面，有360的蟹黄鸡。
So lots of different crab items on here, but this is it. This is the one I'm after. They're crab noodles. So apparently there's 12 crabs from Yangcheng Lake that goes into this one dish. 这个多少元呢？
这是360一份。
So it's about £36 just for this dish. That's a lot. But you know what? That looks so good. It's got the roe and crab meat. That's what I'm going to have. 好，来一份这个，这是你的特菜。好。
这是我们的热姜茶水银汤，因为螃蟹是属寒血。
So it's so cute. They give you like little peanuts and also some jiang cha, which is ginger tea. Because crab is a little yin, as in it's cooling according to traditional Chinese medicine, you've got to balance that with a bit of yang. And so ginger tea is very, very yang. It's very warming. Oh, my order's arrived. Oh my God, look at how much crab there is on top of the noodles. Golden, it's yellow. Just gonna mix all the noodles together with the crab meat. Look at that. Isn't that the most beautiful sight? Full of flavor. The noodles are beautifully cooked. It's just so fresh. Everything is so meaty and succulent and sweet from the crab. And the roe gives it that creamy goodness and a delicious texture. Golden, glorious, succulent. I'm in crab heaven.
Make sure you check out the rest of the series for loads more delicious eats and easy to make recipes. Just click the link on the screen now.